Namaste, this is Dr. Suresh Varnapuri here. Today we talk about the phytotherapy or Ayurvedic pharmacology. One of the important branch in Ayurveda is Dravya Guna. That means Ayurvedic pharmacology. Dravya Guna, basically the understanding of Dravya Guna means the character of a drug. Here character of a drug means the active ingredients which are present in each drug and how they are useful to the human physiology. The correlation between the Ayurvedic herbs and human physiology. This we are going to explore in our workshop, keeping many herbs which are available on the planet. Almost 3,000 herbs are available in India out of 5,000 medicinal herbs all over the world. These 3,000 herbs are designed and differentiated according to the system of the human physiology. Each drug contains an active ingredients, as I said earlier, Dravya, Guna, Rasa, Virya, Vipaka. That means that these are the tastes of each drug, and which has got a different kind of potencies, which again refer to the human physiology, and the reason of understanding each potency of each drug is important because we are correlating with the doshas of the human physiology. So understanding the Dravya Guna is very, very important. Understanding the active ingredients in the drug is so important that if you master in this area, if you organize properly everything in the area, then you can able to answer many questions which arises from the diseases. So each active ingredient acts on the doshas and dhatus in the human physiology. So one has to understand the importance of the Dravya Guna, and this Dravya Guna has got a major role to play for the prevention of the diseases, also for the curative of the diseases. The same Dravyas, that is the herbs or minerals which are useful in Ayurveda, is used in various methodology, various treatment aspects also. For example, in Panchakarma, we use the same Dravya Guna in Panchakarma also to balance the doshas. Not only to balance the doshas, also three gunas, that is Sattva, Rajas, Tamo gunas, that is the mental doshas, we call them as. Rajas and Tamas are the mental doshas. So most of the people have got diseases with the psychiatry, diseases with the neurology, diseases with the human physiology, other systems of the diseases in the body. Whereas the psychiatrist, for example, just one example I want to give you, the psychiatrist in modern medicine uses the drugs for the mind, but gives applied to the brain. So it doesn't work out like that. So the brain, what is happening is instead of they wanted to treat the mind, but ultimately the cells on the brain getting destroyed. But Ayurveda has got different approach. We concentrate on the Sattvajava Chikitsa, Deva Vapasarya Chikitsa, that is the treatment to the psychotherapy and treatment through the various other methods, which is like Mantra Chikitsa and all those things in Ayurveda, it's available for us. So like this, herbs are available, herbs are used in different formats like churnas, that is powder form, lehyas, paste form, arishtas, asva arishtas, that's the fermented forms, gutikas, that's the tablet forms, and liquids, many other formats, oil formats. So every drug has got different combinations is made. We have two kind of herbs are available. One is one single ekamolika, that is single drug, or a combination of few drugs together forms the composition which helps the different systems in the body. So we pick up the different systems in the body and we analyze the doshas in particular organ where it is prevailing more, and we introduce the herbs. But most important in Ayurveda is every herb works with the diet. Every herbs work with the lifestyle. So we cannot separate the herbs from the lifestyle. We cannot separate from the herbs from the diet. So this is the concept in Ayurveda we are going to explore in our workshop in Budapest on 29th of April. We will hope to see everybody joining us there. We will do the best for everybody to explore these beautiful actions of Ayurvedic herbs to the human physiology. Thank you very much. Namaste.